Why would I invest in index funds over buying individual stocks? So if you're an active investor, you're someone who actually likes to watch the market, wants to see what your stocks are doing on a regular basis, and I mean daily, not just like once every month or every 2 weeks, then you want to be investing in index funds. And the reason why is because an index fund is going to give you a portfolio of a lot of stocks, which are all top-rated stocks that are diversified over different industries, and you don't have to look at it at all because you know what? It's going to follow that market. And you're going to be getting whatever the market's doing, it's going to go up and it's going to go down. And whether one company or another company is not doing so great, it's diversified over a lot of companies, so it won't affect your portfolio that dramatically. If you're buying an individual stock, then all your money is in that one company for that particular investment, and you want to make sure that if something goes on with that company, you're on top of it. If you're not following what's going on with that company, you could be losing money because that company could be going down and you're not following what's happening. So if you're not an active investor, invest in index funds. If you are an active investor, individual stocks are actually better.